Hey YouTube, please excuse me, I'm not so camera ready, but I'm using and it's early, so I just woke up. I'm using the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask Damage Reversal Formula. I just finished shampooing with the extra dark shampoo from Jamaican Black Castor Oil Sunny Isle. If you haven't already, see my review on the Sunny Isle shampoo, conditioner, and a couple of their other products. So I didn't detangle my hair before I washed it. I just put it in twists and then I washed it like that. So my hair is still tangled, but I'm putting the deep conditioner in. But I'm taking small sections, and yeah, I am kind of detangling a little bit now. Excuse my voice, I just woke up in the morning. I live in New York. It's the changing of seasons. We're now in fall, and I don't like the changing of seasons. I like summertime, so I gotta go get my golden seal and echinacea so that I can transition through the seasons without getting a cold or anything like that. But yeah, so you want to get a wide tooth comb, take your hair in small sections, and work gently, starting from root to tip. And don't mind me, I have a mirror on this side so I can see what I'm doing and still get it on camera. Taking that amount, making sure all the strands of my hair are covered, getting those edges. Because I feel like my edges, like if you saw the review that I did on the Cream of Nature styling snot, it kind of took out some of my edges. And now, but it seems like it's growing back now. And yes, I gotta take care of give my edges some extra TLC. Some of you have asked about my crown area because I've done crown videos on Crown Area Breakage. I'm going to specifically do a video for that. I get a ton of shrinkage. And working it all the way through. You want to coat all the strands of your hair from root to tip. And this is why for my deep conditions, I like to use products that are natural or have mainly natural ingredients, because you're going to be having this product sit on your head for an extended period of time, whether you're deep conditioning for 30 minutes, 45, 20, 1 hour or more. You don't want to really put something that has chemicals in it and have it sitting on your head for all of that time, because what's obvious about that? You're going to be absorbing all of those chemicals. Yeah, here's my crown area for those of you who have been asking. Look at that. It's nice and full. I'm going to do a video to tell you all of the tricks and things that I've been doing to help encourage my crown area to flourish and grow healthy and not be all thinned out like it was before, because I was horrified. I'll leave that link in the description if some of you guys who are newer to my channel haven't seen it. I've been on YouTube for a while. And for those of you guys who have been with me for a long time, you know I do sewing videos, fashion tutorials, stuff like that, because I sew. And yeah, see this. Okay guys, so I'm done applying the conditioner and detangling each section, and yeah, so I'm just kind of going over it now because I want to make sure my hair is all covered up with this deep conditioner, because then I'm gonna sit under I'm gonna put a plastic cap on. I'm making sure, see my crown area, making sure the roots all the way to the tips are all covered up. You want to go over your edges. If you guys who have like problems with your edges, which I'll do a video on that, just give it some extra TLC. And so now what I'm gonna also do is cover it with some oil And essential oil, I'm going to use rosemary oil too, because that is known to promote hair growth. You always want to put some extra goodies in your products. Rosemary oil and some vitamin E oil. So, and that's just what's there right now. I kind of ran out of coconut oil. I have to buy some more. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm just going to take the oil, can't see it, and put it over just to give my hair some extra nourishment. With your essential oils, you always want to make sure you have a carrier oil, because these are very potent and strong. They may burn you if you apply directly to your skin or scalp. So I'm just going to take some of the vitamin E oil, I pour a few drops, and then take the rosemary oil and then just put a few drops in it. You need another oil to mix it with, that way it's not you know, directly, like you're not using the pure rosemary oil without something to dilute it. And I'm gonna take, because I know this is a problem area, this right side, and this is the time you could take to kind of do your little scalp massages and stuff like that. And you could do it in the crown area as well. I'm doing it all over, but paying extra attention to this area here. Kind of massage it in. If you have a massage brush, which I think I'm gonna get, that's good too. I'm just doing it again. Put in some more. I'm gonna put it throughout my scalp, just to stimulate hair growth all over. Okay, so you could do this, take a couple of minutes to massage, get that rosemary oil in, or whatever essential oil you're using. I will cover it up. I'm going to go ahead and do my scalp massage off camera, but I'm just showing you what to do after the massage. You take this. You guys know I make hair accessories for natural hair, satin bonnets, hair socks like this. So I'm going to take this one, and you could go on etsy.com/shop/charisma for you and find these. Just going to cover it up like so. This is good to put on your hair at nighttime. You can wear it as a headband, hair sock, cap, whatever you want. And so that's gonna get that natural heat from your body to get in there, let that conditioner sit for 20, 30, 40, an hour, whatever you choose. Right now today, I think I'm gonna do a half hour. I have things to do, but I had prioritized doing my hair early. So I'll come back when I'm about to rinse it out to show you what it looks like, and then after I rinse it out, the effects. And then I'll do a separate video on my review of this product. Okay, so I end up leaving it in for an hour. I was doing stuff around the house. The sun is shining. And this is what it's looking like before I rinse it out. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm gonna go and rinse this out. Okay, I got out of the tub, but I decided to get myself ready because I have somewhere to go. So I just put my clothes on and I just left my hair drying. It's a t-shirt, so it's t-shirt dried hair, and I washed it in the twist to make my life simple. So let's see, just to kind of show you what it's looking like. I know the lighting is not the best, but it feels really soft and detangled. As you see, my hair has shrinkage, so it's healthy, and it reverted back from the flat iron that I did last week, or 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago, actually. But yeah, so I will do a review on this product, but this was just a demo, but I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna go style my hair and look forward to the review. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.